Minfos allows you to import a retail pricing file from your head office or another Minfos store. To import a retail pricing file, from the Stock Manager module, click the Price Manager icon or navigate to the Pricing menu and select Price Manager. Click Import Pricing File. Search for and select the pricing file that you wish to import, then click Open. Click Yes to confirm that you wish to import the pricing file. The summary Import Pricing File Preview prompt displays the total number of products in the file, the number of imported MMPNs, and the number of products that were not imported. Click OK to review the suggested new pricing for the products in the file. The imported suggested pricing is shown in brown in the new RP column. The GP information is calculated using the suggested new retail price and your existing unit cost. The arrows indicate if the retail price is increasing or decreasing. If required, use the Stocked Only checkbox or filtering options to only review products stocked in your pharmacy. Review the suggested new pricing, then apply either the selected or all new prices. The prices will be applied. Don't forget to queue or print labels for the price changes. To learn more about managing your retail pricing in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.